Welcome to the shop. Today we're going to be putting on the inner fairing, and I'm going to try to get the outer fairing painted and the fender off. I got my helpers today to help me put this thing back together, so we'll see how it goes. Get those out of the way, those metal pieces. Take them off. Yeah. Right, the metal pieces gotta go back inside there. Put it back in there, like it was. Bottom and first, yeah. And the top end, yeah. Something like that. Right? Just wipe this off a little bit. What I usually do is I'll let the wires just fall, and it'll kind of give you an idea where they go. Believe it or not, it does work. Goes on the reset button. And a little drop, not much, okay? Put that one right in there. Screw that one in there, down. Should line right up with the hole. Don't cross thread. Alright, don't cross thread. So you gotta go nice and straight, make sure it goes in before you tighten it too tight. Just make sure it goes in nice and easy too. Now that you know it's going in, you side. Tighten it up. Okay. Easy, right? Beautiful. Alright, so let's go back in. You going the right way, honey? To the right. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So you only see, look, on. See where it says on? That's not, remember, it's just constant. There you go. Hold it and turn it. Hold it, yeah. There you go. Put a little bit of blue brake on the side of the table. Got the inner fairing in, all the gauges are in, the radio is in, speakers are in, that's all in with the, what do you call that, the rubber seal there, whatever it is in. And the two turn signals are in, the trigger and turn signals. Front tire is off. All right, so I took that off and the fender's off. I'm gonna have to take it apart, get all that chrome off of there, and get it ready for paint. Front fairing has been painted. I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna have to do some hand sanding on it, and it looks all right. Happy with that. I didn't put the mirrors on. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go online and see if I can get new mirrors, and I'm gonna go look at some new levers. Hey, that's all I'm doing today. Paint has to dry. There's not much more you can do except wait. So you're all take it easy, and a big thank you to my daughters who actually helped me put this fairing in without damaging it. Without them, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it by myself, that's for sure. So love you kids. Dad really appreciates your help. And everybody else, God bless. Take care. Questions, comments, you know what to do. Put them down below. I'll try to get to them. And that's it, everybody. Bye-bye.